Kitu ni tamu. Kitu ni tamu. Skari tupu.
Your English in telephone sound vanilla strawberry. How comes here you sound busa busa?
Hey, it is network, my brother. You know, when you're over there at Minnesota, we talk, you feel like the English is so well. But when we come here to Africa, you feel like it is the real deal. But anyway, let us go inside so that we talk business, yeah?
Yes, but that Kizungu, that English.
No problem. The English is
different.
Network problem.
Hey, you come from America. But your English and Obama, it is very far. They are not even brothers and sisters.
Hey, it is like traveling. You know, a lot of things change. Even the weather. Sometimes you find it is raining, sometimes it is shining. You know, things change, yeah?
No, but hata kwa simu. 1 minute, you are Justin Bieber. 1 minute, you are Ganja Man. Your English keep change like Calligraph Jones' skin.
It is like listening to radio. Sometimes you listen to voice, you think it is Nick Mutuma. But when you see the face, you find it is Nick Otiambo. You can even have nightmares, my friend. You can even run away.
Unajua Nick Otiambo?
This house of yours, there is even no food for welcome visitors. Yeah? How can we discuss business on an empty stomach?
Empty?
Stomach.
That line, I want that line used anywhere. Yeah. You have a Bible. Empty?
Yeah. Empty stomach.
Empty stomach. Want that line.
Hata nilikangoja siku sawa. Gofiti lakini niliko. Tulia, hata nitoe viatu hata mimi nataka pia.
Harakisha. That was nice. Iko tu vile ulikuwa unaniambia.
Umecheki?
Sana.
Nilikuwa nimekuambia hivyo, ndio?
Baby. Mbona ulinidanganya?
Aje?
Niliambia wewe ni light skin, uko na tundevu, wewe ni mrefu. You such a comedian. Na by the way, nikuulize, gari yako ishakuwa poa?
What's it?
Gari?
Si uliniambia iko na issue.
Oh, gari. Nilitengeneza nikafika hadi home.
Iko sawa?
Iko sawa sasa hii.
Uko sure?
Kabisa.
Ndo nimeshindwa. Nilikuwa nadhani ita take time.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Kidogo si ni kama dakika moja tu acha nitoke ni kama.
Narudi.
Na kama sasa hivi.
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
Nice.
Is there a problem?
No. Everything is okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey,
umechelewa?
Kulikuwa na traffic kidogo.
But
at least we make.
Okay.
Yes.
Na by the way, ukijua we're not doing anything. Yeah, it's our first time. We're just going to chill and we talk. That's all.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem. That's fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, no problem.
You're not like other men.
No, I'm not like other men. I am not going to force anything. In fact, we can watch a movie.
Hey.